Ningiphelezele ngolwesibili ngiyaka kwa Ishwar Nkosi ibusise.
Uyaphila Ishwar?
Angiyaphila.
Ayisi la ukhuluma nabafana bendaba enkulu media. Kwenzakalani la, what is happening here?
Well, namhlanje sila uNyazi namhlanje. Yeah, umlando mkhulu namhlanje. So yeah.
Yeah, so how do you feel that you are in Shembe's I don't know if I should say aura or presence, I don't know the proper term, but you get the point. How do you feel that you are within Shembe's, you get what I'm saying, yeah?
Well, Shembe represents divinity,
yes.
Peace, tranquility,
yeah.
and so much of blessings. And yes, that's why I come, because to create the spirit of oneness. Shembe, when you say Izizwe zonke, it really means that, and he accepts all of us, despite whatever background we come from, what race we are. Shembe is a real hope for all people of the world.
Yeah, so you're saying Shembe is not only for Zulus, it's not only for black people, he's for everyone.
Well, Izizwe zonke. Izizwe zonke.
I listen.
And I urge everyone, those who don't know Shembe, get to know Shembe and the people of Amanazareta, because they are so peaceful, they are so loving. So, I mean, I've been amongst thousands of people today. I might be of Indian origin, but I tell you, this is a true spirit of Ubuntu, oneness, and when you come here, you don't look at color, we are all divine beings under Shembe. And one thing I must say, that Shembe, his teachings are so wonderful. It's about dignity, upholding one's proper conduct, also taking care of the wildlife, taking care of the environment. Shembe stands for all these things, and what more do you need in life?
Yeah. So when they say Shembe is their Messiah, Shembe is their God, what do you say? What do you say?
Well, in Indian culture, we call our Messiah's Guru. And today, you are with a Messiah. And I feel that oneness, that the Gurus are there to take one towards the godliness and to make one to become righteous in life.
So you're saying Shembe is godly?
Very well, uNkulunkulu.
I said that's it.
Sibonela amehlo ingane ukhubazekile usukumile wheelchair. Sibonela amehlo so angazi uzothini.
Listen it siyabonga Ishwar. Can you say indaba enkulu?
Ngiyabonga indaba enkulu media for promoting Shembe and this rich heritage of Amanazareta. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga kakhulu Ishwar, ngiyabonga.
Indabenkulu.
Yes, us sir. Are you Shembe? So Shembe is the best. Shembe is what? The best. Shembe? By who? Who are you saying bye to? To the Shembe king. To the Shembe.
Indabenkulu.